Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today, went to my PO box. Haven't been there in quite a while just because of work and traveling. And when I went there, I had this box here. And when I come walking out of the post office, my wife was like, "Oh, you got a box." When I got the box, I showed her. It's from Potty Packs, and she goes, "Well, what did you order? What'd you get?" I said, "I don't know. It says to be ready." Now, just a little spoiler: I did open it up just to kind of see what it was. And to my surprise, I'm very excited about this company and to see what they have. So you're going to see. Now, there's a letter here. Not going to bore you with everything. But the one thing I will say that this is Potty Pack is actually, it's a veteran owned. They're all about, camping, survival, trying to be ready for the next big thing. Whole big letter. Now, what we have here is they gave me this brochure. And you can find them on Instagram, all this stuff here. And this is going to tell you, we're going to either do some screenshots or kind of tell you what it is. They didn't send me everything, but what we have in here, I'm excited about. So there's a shit kit, for when you have to go to the bathroom, a first aid kit, which they actually did send me. There's a tick kit, which I'm excited about because I have a buddy of mine who does locating, and sometimes he's in woods and stuff. So I'm definitely going to be giving him one of these. And I have another friend who works for a company who does installs and stuff, and sometimes he's out in the woods. So I'll definitely be giving him one of those. But then there's towels, there's the potty pack, hydro pack, there's the period pack for the women out there, hangover kit, which is kind of funny, a clean kit, a sleepover pack, and then they have a travel kit. Then there's a tick kit, the park pack, golf pack, dental kit, grooming kit, sex pack, virus kit, winter pack, hydration pack. Now, they did not send me all of these, and I kind of went over quick. So what we'll probably do is I will probably pause the video with some music and just do some screenshots so you can kind of see everything that they have on their website and stuff. So what they gave me was a first aid kit, hand sanitizer, wipes, antibiotic cream, gauze pad, bandage, painkillers, used for one time. And this is perfect. This is like the size of a candy bar. And this is so small, you can definitely put this in a glove box, your backpack, EDC, camper, whatnot. And one of my friends, because I told him about this kit, he even said, and this is a great idea, and my wife won't want to hear this, but these would be great stocking stuffers, especially for like the price point, especially of the first aid kit, which I believe is like $3. So, yes, we're in June, but you never can think too far ahead. So, and they gave me 5 of them. And then we have the crap kit, because I don't want to get any more banned. Then we have the tick kit, or tick kit easy removal kit. And then we have 10 compressed towels. These would be great, especially if you're the one where, if you're out working, doing locating, or if you work for like a phone company or a cable company and stuff, add a little bit of water and stuff, put this in your bag, pretty good to go. And for getting 10 in one pack is really nice. And then last but not least, a hydration pack. Recover faster, what it can tell you to do. So the one thing we are going to do is, I'm not going to make this a long video of going through each one of these products. I truly believe in what this channel is all about focusing on the product itself. So what we're going to be doing over the next 5 weeks is we're going to be doing one video at a time, either the first aid kit, the towel kit, the crap kit, or whatever it could be. We're going to open each one of these up and show you what's inside them, go through everything, and kind of make it its own separate video, because I want to focus on the product, not making this a 25-30 minute long video, just trying to make it short and sweet to the point. So I just want to thank you to Potty Pack for sending me this product. They sent this to me. There's no, there's sponsorship or any code or anything like that. I'm just very grateful that they sent this to me and for me to kind of talk about this, because these are so small that you can, like I said, your glove box, backpack, or even at work. These are great to have. So be on the lookout over the next, about 5, 6, 7 weeks, because I'm not going to just do 5 weeks of all this, each week. I'll kind of mix it up, but be looking forward to this. If this is something you're into, I'll put the link to their website that you can go, if you want to purchase something or find them on any of their social media platforms. So once again, thank you to Potty Packs. If you guys have ever heard of this company, I would love for you guys write down below if you guys have heard it, and hit the thumbs up if you like this video. And if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much. We will catch you guys down the road.